I mean, the concept of the project is an idea from Shelley Power. You know, she came to me 1 year ago and she said that she wanted to do this new thing, who was a choreographic project beside the Prix de Lausanne competition.
And I thought, how nice it would be to celebrate all of the partner schools across the world with bringing them all to Lausanne to experience the Prix de Lausanne, not through the competition, but through the partner schools' eyes by this collaboration.
When I was asked to participate in the project, I was stunned. I didn't know what to do, and I didn't think it would hit me until I actually got on the plane. I just was so excited to come.
So we brought all of these students here to Lausanne for the week. We hired the most amazing choreographer, Goyo Montero, and his goal is to get a piece done in 5 or 6 days, up on the stage, costumed, and they will perform it in the Interlude, the finals of the competition.
My dream was to make a choreography where all the people stays on the stage the whole time. This piece is about these 50 people, and you're gonna see them on the stage from the beginning until the end. And thanks to them and their talent and their focus, we were able to achieve it in 4 days.
It's hard for us all to get the same style all together at the one time, so all 50 people trying to do the exact same thing at the exact same time.
I think we all dance a certain way, and we all have a certain style from where we come from, and changing our style to match the choreography, that's definitely a challenge.
The reason we wanted to do this is because the Prix de Lausanne is about education, and it's about expanding to really meet the market of such a global world now of dance.
I definitely benefited from this whole experience. I think just having Goyo Montero, the choreographer, himself teaching us, as well as all the other mentors we've had, I'll definitely take that into my future career.
It really is a unique experience because you're learning something so quickly, you're learning a language someone else is teaching you all through movement. It's really a life experience because that's what will happen to them as professionals.
It's definitely a cultural and a very surreal experience. I think we all grew from this a lot.
The idea here is not the performance, it's the process. And the process, I think, for them is to have the feeling of what is to experience a professional choreography. I don't feel like they are students, I feel they are mature young dancers, you know, so I'm really happy.